Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here is another loser unboxing, and I know a lot of friends already know the meaning of loser unboxing, and some friends will always ask. Some friends who is new to this channel maybe not understanding why I say loser unboxing. So here is the reason. I used to show off what I have, open the box, and I feel happy. And then I found other people do it also, but they were sponsored, and I am not. So I was thinking I'm loser. I was just a sour loser. And as time goes on, I start to feel that I can have the ability to buy things. It's a pleasure. It's actually because I love it and I am ready to spend money on it. So loser unboxing is I lose money. It's only because the product is good. So loser unboxing is not someone can buy. I mean, you get a loser unboxing because your product is good, because this is the best appraisal for the product. Anyway, no blah blah blah. I love this. I always use this, and I would like to share with you this so that you can see. And I like to use a high moisturizer. Moisturizing milk, and this is Muji. It smells. Wow, it smells. Wow, I love it. It smells so good. It smells nothing. Nothing. It smells nothing. I think when you go to when you go to shopping mall, some of these perfume or some of the perfume or soap store, I cannot even enter because it smells so much. I do not like anything, smell anything. Not jasmine, not lavender, not magnolia, not peony, not ginger, not not sweet and sour, not coconut, not shea butter, not barbecue, not garlicky, not five spice, not herbes de Provence, not anything. I like it, nothing. So, and after using it, and this one is not, it's just very, mostly because it's not very oily. And if I have tried the light moisture. Light moisture is a little bit more watery. There are 3 levels: high moisture, light, and moisture medium. And I feel the high moisture feels richer and my hand comfortable. Oh, what is going on here? Anyway, that is about it. I really appreciate they made it. I'm sorry to show it because because when people see an old hand like my hand, nobody will buy it. Yeah, it's not a good advertisement, but anyway, I love it.